Good morning friends, today is 4th of August 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for this week and intraday outlook is as follows. Last week Nifty 50 index ended in red, down for the 5th consecutive weekly closing. The index ended last week sub crucial intraday support level of 24,600 spot. Its closing was at around 24,565 and it was down minus 1.09%. As per the price study, the index is expected to remain under pressure below 24,800 and crucial 25,000 levels this week. Pullback attempts can witness selling pressure around these levels, and unless index sustains above 25,000, short covering looks difficult. While on the lower end, it has approached towards the midterm multiple price support zone, which is between 24,500 to 24,000 levels. Dips between the support zone can attract contra buying interest at lows. Thus, the index can witness volatility for dominance of decisive short-term trend. As per the price study, dips towards 24,400 and lower can be looked for contra trading long bets anticipating pullback as per the intraday charts. But as mentioned, pullback needs to sustain above 25,000 and for the midterm trend 25 to 5,500 zone for any major short covering, else the index can remain within a range under pressure. For the day and 2, Nifty 50 index 24,800 spot levels can be looked as a tug of war between bulls and bears, which need to be held for fresh buying interest. So as per the intraday charts, 24,800 will be important to watch for first couple of sessions of this week. Over and above that level only one can expect another further 200 and 400 odd points pullback. On the lower end, 24,400, 24,200 zone will be initially a crucial support zone where a contra trading long bets or strategies can be looked into with a strict stop losses. If we talk about Bank Nifty index 2 ended last week in red, down minus 1.61% at 55,617 levels. It ended the week at its lows. So initially any kind of intraday pullback attempts towards 56,250 and 57,250. These are the two important levels for intraday and this week. Any pullback toward these levels will attract fresh selling pressure. While on the lower end, 55,000 and lower can attract contra buying interest. Since it's almost 5 weeks of negative closing, pullbacks are bound to come from the lower levels. It will be important to see whether these pullbacks can convert the sellers into short covering and fresh buying interest can sustain higher immediate resistance levels. So immediate trend remains range to down for Nifty also and Bank Nifty also. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty indices are at crucial levels to watch and they remain under pressure unless we see any serious buying interest on pullback attempts and reversals of the ongoing short-term pessimism. For the day today, Nifty futures potential trading band can be between 24,500 and 24,780 levels, while Bank Nifty futures can trade within a range of 55,600 and 56,200 with pressure at higher end. Intraday traders can look for buy on dip and sell on rise outlook within this mentioned range with strict stop losses. Trading and investment ideas will be shared during market hours. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.